Why do we need teaching methods for teaching physical science? Teaching methods are used for making the classroom effective. When we use any particular teaching method, then we can say that teachings are effective. We apply some specific techniques so as to enable the students to understand and explain in detail. So teaching methods is the way how we can explain, how we can enable the students to imagine, how we can enable the students to do their experiments and experiences. There are so many teaching methods like a lecture cum demonstration method. Let us talk about the lecture cum demonstration method first. Lecture cum demonstration method is used to explain all the theories, rules, regulations, principles, and laws. Okay, so all the law, just like Newton's law, Einstein's law, and many other scientists' law, we can explain by means of lecture method. Lecture method is employed in higher education, where we suppose the students to listen effectively, and we suppose the students to be eligible for listening with good efficiency in language. If you are very good in English language, basically, then you are able to listen the lectures and all the explanations can be understood. So lecture method is not for the child, not for the children, because children don't know how to speak and how to make their concentration high. So lecture method is applied where concentration is needed, where students can pay their attention to listen carefully and concentrate upon the contents of imagination, contents of verbal form that is to be imagined. So lecture method is not so much useful for lower classes like primary and secondary, but in higher secondary we start giving lectures and students try to understand it in an easy way. So we can say lecture method is a teacher made method or teacher centered method in which teacher speaks and students becomes very passive to listen teacher. If students are not so active in listening and not capable to understand language, then it will be very hard for all those students to understand it. So we must think where to use and where to imply it, where to use and which level is appropriate for lecture and demonstration method. Basically here we are talking about lecture method, not about demonstration method. So let us understand what is demonstration method. What demonstration method is? Demonstration method is that method which is indicated, pointed, and directed toward elements, pictures, audio, and physical things, and all constructs. So audio, video, and all the physical contents can be shown to the students in experiments. It means this is a type of experimental assistant method in which we use students' attention to imagine it, but it does not need any power of imagination because everything is visible. In a classroom, we make a chart, we draw a picture, we bring real objects or virtual objects by means of video, animation, and then we elaborate it. We try to explain it with illustration. So that is demonstration. In demonstration, we basically show all the features step by step, and we try all to understand it. We try such that everyone may understand it easily. So demonstration is a very imaginative language and imaginative method which enables the students to be capable to understand and to explain about any of the elements. So we can say demonstration method is very useful in science because we are all concerned with physical quantity, and all physical quantity can be seen, can be observed, which are in the form of concrete that has a shape, mass, weight, volume, height, etc. So demonstration method is completely pictorial and based on real situation. When we try to demonstrate any feature or any natural phenomena, then we just lead all students toward the field of the nature. In that nature, we find a large number of stimuli that affects the sense organ of learner, and you become able to perceive these all the things. You directly see and directly meet with the phenomena of the events, that is the natural phenomena. Just like if you see in the sky, then you see cloud thundering and their electricity being produced by means of reactions in the cloud. So that is demonstration. That demonstration can be made pictorial and in the form of video clip if you want to and if you know how to record it. So by means of recording, by means of drawing a picture, you can show these all the things on the screen by means of projector, computer, and of course by e-contents in various forms. Okay, so demonstration method is really very useful method in which students find themselves very interesting, and they don't have any trouble to understand because they can easily imagine these all the things. So demonstration method is very useful not only for higher classes but also for lower classes, and this is not only teacher based but also student based, because we find a large number of chances to make an interaction with and together with the students. So demonstration method enables to create an active environment for discussions and interaction along with real objects and pointing out all the elements of the content of a study. So demonstration method, you just become live in YouTube, in Facebook Live, or by means of any pictorial presentation, by means of animation. These are the means how you can demonstrate your physical science contents.